So today we are going to be touring Hunt Club, a brand new development by Stanley Martin. Stanley Martin is a builder out of Virginia. They build homes all up and down the East Coast, and this is a new project that they're doing in Hardeeville, South Carolina, right off the East Argent track, where there's going to be all kinds of new and incredible things being built out, new neighborhoods, new shopping plazas, and I can't wait to walk you through the model and tell you all about the neighborhood and the area. So if that interests you, stay tuned because we're getting after it right now. Do you want to know everything there is to know about the South Carolina Lowcountry? Whether it's Bluffton, Beaufort, Hilton Head Island, or Jasper County? Then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about everything happening here. My name is David Simcox, host of this channel and a local real estate agent. I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make their move here, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 3 days, 3 months, or even 3 years, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text, or you can even book a Zoom call, all in the description below. Now, today we are in Hunt Club. This is a community being built by Stanley Martin. And if you think you've heard that name before, it's because I've made other videos where they were building over in Oldfield. And Oldfield is just about across the street from this community, but this is their newest project, and they're gonna have about 450 homes here. They've got 6 different floor plans, and they're gonna be priced from about the mid 300s to the mid to high 400s. And this is in Hardeeville, South Carolina. They're gonna have an incredible amenity center. It's a really great location, and I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about it. So without further ado, let's go in. I'm gonna tour you around the model home, and then after we do that, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the community and the surrounding area. Let's get going. So as we come in the door, we look off to our left here, and you'll see they have a really nice room right here overlooking the front of the house. And this is one of the guest bedrooms. And then we'll go back out, and immediately to your left is the guest bathroom. And then the other guest bedroom in this one is right here next to the bathroom. Always good seeing a decorated model. Definitely helps your imagination envision what your house could look like. And then as we go down the entryway, you've got a little coat closet here. And then right here to your left is another, I guess you could say, linen closet. And then we'll come out into the kitchen. And this is where this really just took my breath away, because this to me feels very much gourmet and luxury. This is not like a slide-in stove and cooktop. You've got the gas burners. You've got quartz countertops in all their models. You've got the double oven down there. The top one actually also functions as a microwave. And one of the cool things, as I mentioned, Stanley Martin built over in Oldfield, which is just across the street. And Oldfield typically starts at like $800,000 and goes all the way up to, $3 million. And it's a private golf club community, super high end. There are custom homes in there, but Stanley Martin also built a bunch of houses in there. And they told me that on the insides of these houses, they're actually finishing these homes with about the same level that they were doing over in Oldfield. So when you're on the inside of these houses, they definitely have a very luxurious feel, and not with the price point that you paid over in Oldfield. I mean, over there, they were paying, $800,000, $900,000, and here you're in the like mid 300s to mid 400s. And I just think this is a really great value for the money. And then let's head in and check out the primary suite. very large. Now, this is not the largest primary suite that they offer. I actually came in here yesterday and toured several of their other models that are only in the framing stage. And there is a 2-story model. I forget which one it is. It's the big one that's like 3,000 square feet. And I went in the primary bedroom and it was huge. I mean, you could literally have a bed, a couch, I mean, all kinds of things in there. I mean, it's one of the biggest I've seen. But one of the things I love, like this is they've got like a level 1, level 2, and level 3 package on these houses. And this is the highest level, but even at the highest level, it's still very much an affordable home. But with this level, you're getting tile in the floor and tile all the way to the ceiling in the primary bath, which I think is awesome. I mean, that to me is just an upgraded feature. And then a huge walk-in closet. And again, this isn't the biggest walk-in closet that I've seen. The one that I toured yesterday, which is their 3,000 square foot model, had an even bigger walk-in closet. And then of course you've got your private water closet behind a door there, so just a little extra privacy for that. And I think I mentioned they have 6 different floor plans available, and then within each floor plan they have different levels of finishing. So they've got level 1, level 2, and level 3 depending on how fancy you want to go. And then they also have spec homes, which means that they're either done and ready to be moved in, or they're at some level of construction. So they might only be in framing, but they've already picked out everything. You can't pick your tiles or your finishes, and the price is kind of set. But then they also have build from the ground up options. So if you want to pick your lot and pick your floor plan and pick what level of finishes you want, a little bit more personalization, that is, you know, an option also. Here you've got a really great outside area, and this could easily be screened here aftermarket, but then you've got a great patio area over here that you could do an outdoor fire pit or a seating area. And then you can also add fences. So if you wanted to fence in this backyard and you wanted that privacy fence, that is also an option. Siding is vinyl siding, but it is a thicker vinyl than what you typically see. So nice thing about vinyl siding is you don't have to repaint it. It's kind of just like power wash it once a year, keep it looking good. A lot of people love HardiePlank, which I do also, but HardiePlank is a more maintenance option. You know, you have to repaint it every 10 or 15 years, which can be pretty expensive. So I think these homes are a great value for the money. And then over here, you've got kind of a little office / bill pay area right off the kitchen. You've got another coat closet here, which they've got some marketing materials. And then this goes out to the garage, which they've got set up as their sales office right now. So I'm not going to take you in there, but they've got a landing zone here and another little coat closet right here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed touring the model. Now let's talk a little bit more about the community. This is one of the newest and most promising communities in the East Argent district of Hardeeville, Hunt Club by Stanley Martin Homes. If you've been looking for a community that combines value, style, and convenience, Hunt Club might just be the perfect fit. This neighborhood is part of the massive East Argent Master Planned Community, spanning over 7,000 acres with plans for nearly 10,000 homes, parks, trails, commercial space, and even a brand new YMCA just around the corner. At Hunt Club, you'll find single-family homes ranging from cozy ranch-style layouts to spacious 2-story floor plans, starting at just over 1,300 square feet and going up to more than 3,000 square feet. With 6 floor plans to choose from, you can either move into a finished spec home or start fresh by choosing your lot, layout, and designer finishes. The lifestyle here is all about connection and comfort. Amenities include a sparkling pool, a community clubhouse, fire pit, a dog park, pickleball, and peaceful common areas where neighbors can gather, relax, and unwind. It's the kind of place that encourages community without sacrificing privacy. And let's talk location. Hunt Club is tucked just off of Highway 170 and East Argent Parkway, less than 2 miles from the brand new 40,000 square foot YMCA that includes a child care center, indoor pool, fitness center, sports fields, you name it. Plus, you're just a short drive from downtown Bluffton, Beaufort, Hilton Head Island, and even Savannah for unbeatable shopping, dining, and entertainment. Homes at Hunt Club are currently priced from the mid 300s to the high 400s, and Stanley Martin is offering some attractive builder incentives, including possible reduced interest rates. Natural gas is available, and if you're building from scratch, expect about a 7-month build time frame. Stanley Martin Homes has been building quality homes for over 50 years, and with backing from Diowa House Group, one of the largest and most innovative real estate companies in the world, you can feel confident about the craftsmanship and long-term vision of this community. So, if you're dreaming of a beautiful, well-built home in a growing, amenity-rich community, Hunt Club in Hardeeville, South Carolina should definitely be on your radar. If you want more information or a personal tour or help finding the perfect lot, I would love to help. All right, thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed learning about Hunt Club and Stanley Martin. And again, if you think this neighborhood is right for you, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text, or you can even book a Zoom call, all in the description below. And of course, as always, if you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest happening here, be sure and like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you'll know every time I drop a new video. It's been an absolute pleasure spending time with you today. I hope to meet you in person at some point, but if not, I will at least see you on the next video.